I had no idea this was an option. I was interested actually in the saw repair, like small engine repair. And I got a little bit of knowledge on that from fire crew and a little bit from forestry. But as far as being like a full mechanic or getting like a skill set for heavy equipment mechanics or heavy diesel mechanics, I did not know that was possible. It was a lot to change from the whole crew dynamic. In a crew, you have your whole crew, you're working together to complete one big project versus me and one mechanic are working on one piece of equipment. Definitely a little something to get used to for the first week, but it's kind of good to be able to work on my own skills as kind of like an individual.
To the tractor.
And I really enjoy that.
Want to make sure if there's any pivot points.
As far as being like a helper through the seas, you have some more basic chores to take care of.
You have some scratching.
Like cleaning up, oil pans, folding up rags, keeping your space, your tools, all that clean. And then after that,
Airflow.
It's really hard to say where it would go. It could be street sweeper comes in with a boatload of problems and it's going to take a couple weeks or even a month to figure out everything that's wrong with it. Or it could be a big 4-yard truck came in and it just needs its smog, its opacity checked. I've gotten to work on some really cool things that I hadn't really thought about.
This filtration.
There's a lot of concepts that cross over, and there's a lot of new concepts that don't cross over at all. A lot of smaller vehicles don't have hydraulic lines and all these extra equipment attachments. Is both something familiar and completely new, where having a background in smaller vehicles helped, but it's still, a completely new ballgame. I went to community college for basic automotive maintenance. I'd also worked in a shop. I'd worked on cars since I was young. It's always been something that kind of came to me naturally and I enjoyed doing. Very grateful for being able to get back into this field and learn again. I'm really hoping I can get in apprentice position with Caltrans. It's pretty much what I'm doing, but a step above, and with schooling side to it, you count as a full-time employee and get all the benefits that the mechanics would. And then after that, you get hired on as like a full mechanic. So I'm really hoping to do that and get a foot in the door to Caltrans that way.